To import Straumann libraries to your exocad software, go to the Straumann.com webpage and select in the main menu in the section Digital Performance the area CADCAM libraries. As a first step, you have to download the Straumann order tool. Copy the folder and save it in your exocad dental CAD folder. Then extract the folder and execute the Straumann order tool. Make sure that you fill out your master data and then continue with save. Now we continue with downloading the relevant files. You will find the files also in the connectivity section in our download center. Select exocad and the right country and then our company brand that you're interested in. We now need the Biobase abutment parameters for centralized milling and the Straumann Group work parameters database. If you have selected the right elements, select download as a zip file. Copy the zip file and save it in the right folder of your software, as shown in the video. Extract the zip file and then extract the subfolders. Now copy the work parameters and save them in DentalDB config, as shown in our video. Now copy the library for your Biobase and save it to the folder Library Implant. Now you can create your cases in exocad as usual.